Welcome viewers. Today in this video you will see that how we can do the Megger of high voltage cable. So here we have a cable. This is high voltage cable for 33 kV switch gear. So this is a Megger. So here you can see that how can we connect the cable. This one cable from the Megger, it will connect to this one phase, and the second one of the cable, this one will be connect to this earthing of the same cable. Here you can see. So now our reading, we are taking here the readings. We are injecting 15 kilovolt. This is the 33 high voltage cable for the 33 kV switchgear. So we are injecting 15 kilovolt for this one. For low voltage we are mostly injecting 1 kilovolt. So for high voltage we are injecting 5 kilovolt DC supply. So you can see here we will keep injecting on up to 1 minute. We will see the value what is the insulation resistance of this cable. So now you can see here the insulation resistance of this cable is 847 giga ohm, which is too much. So we can say that our cable is in healthy condition.